Hello vlog, it's been a while. I totally forgot to show you guys how my hair turned out. As you can kind of tell, I went really dark. So my natural hair color is pretty dark like this. But yes, I should have showed you guys my hair like the very same day that I got it done, but I think, yeah, I got home really late. Wednesday I was out. I don't think I had my camera. But then Thursday I did go do a food review, which was really awesome. And then Friday, which was yesterday, I pretty much just had like a volunteer thing in the evening. And then today I have another event that I have to leave for really soon. Yeah. I also have like a few other tasks that I need to catch up on. Aside from those tasks that I have, I mean, I have been wanting to continue reading. I think I have to go print out some flyers for the next Pilates event that I'm helping organize, because that is coming up in about like 2 weeks, I think. This theme, it's the summer I did Pilates, and that one's super cute. So I'm very excited for how this one's gonna turn out. Hopefully a lot of girls come and romanticize their summer for now. Oh, and then actually my sister came back from Hawaii, and I got these. They're the signature milk chocolate covered macadamias, and then also the Aloha Max. She brought like the white chocolate chip macadamia cookies that are shaped like pineapples, and those are delicious. Like, if I had known they were that good, I would have bought them when I went to Hawaii. But yes, I have to leave. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hello vlog. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I went to Portobello Cafe and I went to go try their new drink, which is the arroz con leche latte, and it's actually really good. Like, I got mine and my arroz con leche was warm, and then the drink is like nice and cold in ice. I have obviously been sipping on it already. Earlier it was very noticeable that there was arroz con leche in here, but now it's kind of hiding because I ate some of it and I kind of mixed it up. And then they even put cinnamon powder on top. But yeah, once you get it mixed up, it's so good. I would get it again. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I've been wanting to watercolor, and they had this whole kit, so I thought that was perfect. And this was on clearance for $12, so I think that's a really good deal. And then this snack box is like the perfect size to take on trips, or to, you know, when you go out to like a cafe to read your book, you're at a coffee shop, you're doing homework, meeting up with friends for a movie night. Perfect. And this was like $7. And then of course I had to buy this for my dog. She collects lamb chops, so there was these for $6, and these are the 4th of July edition. Super cute. And then I got these really cute sunnies. They remind me of like the viral Mew Mew ones that everybody, you know, has been getting. And then this super cute silicone flower ice tray was on clearance too, and it was only $4. $4 to be whimsical, guys. I had to get it. And then lastly is just this like rug, which I'm going to be using for the next Pilates event because it is a summer themed one, so I think this would be perfect. But yeah, this is my tjmaxx haul for today. I just picked these up at tjmaxx, but I don't know how I feel about them. As I said earlier, they kind of remind me of the Mew Mew glasses. I just don't know if I like the shape. I mean, they're definitely giving like a clean girl, studious girl vibe. So I just filmed my morning get ready with me, more of just like my skincare routine. I do have my hair up, which I never do, but it's because I recently dyed my hair to try to make it healthy again, and yeah, I just have it picked up because I'm gonna shower later today, let it air dry, and then I'm going to be straightening it. But for now, just, you know, natural hair up in a pony because it's super hot. But yeah, I think I'm about to do a 30-minute walk on the treadmill just to get my steps in for the day. Not that I am trying to lose any weight, it's just more for heart health and, you know, just getting your body flowing in the mornings. Maybe I'll just watch Little House on the Prairie. I've been watching that on Netflix, and I don't know if I mentioned this already, but when I was little I was obsessed with this series. I literally read all the books. I think there was maybe 6 of them, but I'm not too sure because it was a long time ago. And yeah, I'm watching the series. I am a little confused on exactly where this is picking up from. I know that there is a book specifically called Little House on the Prairie in the series, so I'm thinking it must be that one, but I honestly can't remember all the details, so I don't know how close to the book they're following. I want to say that maybe there's a lot of changes because I remember that the daughters had made friends with the shop owner's daughter, and that's not in the show. And then also the Mr. Edwards character seems a little different, and yeah, there's just like quite a few characters that I honestly don't remember reading about or hearing about. I'm not mad about it, honestly, but I do really like that they've made that series into a TV series, so that's been really interesting to watch. I think I'm on the 6th or 7th episode and there's only 8, so I'm excited to see how this whole season goes and if they're going to continue with the new season. But anyways, yeah, woke up this morning, just, you know, did my skincare, got a coffee. Honestly, I haven't ate yet, which is pretty bad. I'm just gonna walk and then I'm gonna make breakfast. Honestly, I have something very important on Thursday, so yesterday was like a very admin day. I took care of a lot of things that I really needed to do, #adulting, but today I guess it's more of just my day to relax. I got this in the mail. It's from Bath & Body Works. I honestly don't really go to Bath & Body Works as much anymore because of all the ingredients in their products and all those scents. They're not the best for you, but here and there I'll pick up something. Saw this collection at the mall when I passed by and it really did catch my eye, but I didn't stop in. But now I kind of want to go and take a look because, so you guys can kind of see, the new collection's like very aesthetic and summery. I think it's like the perfect products to really romanticize the summer. Hand sprays, they look really slim and they could fit in your purse perfectly compared to like the circle oval ones that they usually make. Summer's really coming. I'm super excited. I really wish I could go clothes shopping and get like a bunch of cute summer clothes, but I'm really trying to save right now because money is tight. But fingers crossed. I'm hopeful. And yeah, I think what I will do actually is I'm gonna do even deeper closet clean out and post a lot of things on Depop, and I might even try to go to some of those resale stores like a Buffalo Exchange or like a Deluxe, and I'm gonna go and try to sell some clothes there and see what they will take. I don't want to take too long in my morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and go take my walk now. Talk to you guys later. Hello vlog. So my hair may look even more different to you guys. So my hair has been washed twice now, so the color is fading more. Still kept like a little money piece at the top and then more of like a dark base with like little hints of gray here and there. But yeah, update on the book that I'm reading. I'm on chapter 13 and it's getting good. I really do like this book and I'm glad I've been having some time to read it. So yeah, that's what I was doing right now, but after just kind of fixing my hair, I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys a little rundown of what I've been doing today. I walked, I did laundry, I ate breakfast, I showered, did my hair, did some admin stuff on the computer, fixed my nails. Oh, and then isn't this shirt super cute? I'm like, let me stand up real quick. But I cut this one into an off the shoulder because it was pretty big on me. I even like cropped and cut it. But yeah, super cute because I think it's like perfect. It's cute, adds a little something different. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just got this blind box. Please excuse my nail. I'm waiting for my next set, but yeah, I could get the kitchen one, which is super cute. The marsh board, gardening board, cafe board, super cute. Reading board is also cute. That one is so cute too, the atelier. Let's see, yeah, and it was kind of overpriced, but let's see which one I got. So exciting, so exciting. Let me look away. Okay. Boom. Oh, it's the reading one. That's cute. That is cute. So yeah, just to show you guys real quick, this is how it comes. So it's the chair, Snoopy, the books with Woodstock, and he's reading, table, the lamp, and then the background. So yeah, let me put this together because I don't have my camera on a tripod right now. Okay, here it is. Super cute. We got some vegan food. So this is vegan horchata. It's some nachos, loaded nachos.